In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your in a call error on Google Meet. So if you're trying to join a call and you are getting this message, yet you know very well you are not in another call on the same app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you want to make sure that you are not logged into your Google Meet on another device using the same account. If you had tried doing this on a browser and now you are also doing it on the app, then you want to go ahead and log out on one of this browser or application before you can join a call. In most cases, if you do that, that will fix your problem. But if you are sure you have not logged in or joined a meeting using any other device, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you want to troubleshoot your Google Meet app. To do this, you need to go to your phone and look for settings option. From settings, scroll down to apps, and under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. And here you want to search for your app by name. And if I tap on Meet, now I'm on the app info page. Here you want to stop this app by tapping on for stop the app. This will stop any background activities that might be causing the issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and okay. And again, clear all data. Now restart your smartphone. And once you have restarted your smartphone, now go open your Google Meet app. And now everything should be up and running without any issue. In most cases, this should be able to fix your error. However, should this not work, then check and see that you are not using any VPN or proxy app on your phone. If your VPN is turned on, you want to turn it off before you try using this app. However, should this also not work, then you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store and check if we have any update for your Meet app. So I'll go to Google Play Store here because I'm on Android, find my app, and should you see an update here, update your app to the latest version, as this is most likely the reason you are experiencing this. So let me know which of these was able to fix your issue. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.